far on trying to put it back together. I got most of the labeling off that. Put epoxied the corners back on there. Clean this piece off. And then I had epoxy the tabs back on this, and see the side piece right here was busted off. Had epoxy the corner and the tabs, the corner here, and the two tabs on this one. Had epoxy the two tabs on this one back on, and then this one had epoxy these tabs, this tab, this whole piece here, and these here. So that's pretty much, not all of it, but a majority of the epoxy heavy duty, high strength, 3,500 per square inch. I would think it would as much as it is. So it's a project anyways. But it's kind of neat one. Well, it's kind of challenging in a way, I guess. But it's kind of cool. It gives me something else to do. Take my mind off things for a little bit and do something different. Challenge my mind a little bit here. Yeah, the top piece brackets broke off of that too, but I think I'm gonna make this parts you can print for, and it's a case that goes on front, and I think I'm gonna do it that way. Yep, she's definitely gonna be a work in progress. So, and I'll videotape some more here. Alright, catch y'all later.